So attention those who are doing direct sales, right? So I've been doing direct sales business for more than 12 years. And here is my summary, right, of what I've encountered. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to share with you my experience, okay? So if you are, so for me, I've been doing direct sales for 12 years. And, you know, if you all realize, your company, which you represent, right, is never your company, okay? You are never considered an employee, okay? You should consider them as your vendor. And 12 years ago, right, when I started this business, I never used their name card as well, okay? Because I never consider them as my employer, okay? So that's why I consider them as my vendor. Because, you know, just want to say some example. Because, you know, if you market their products, okay, their brand, okay, your customer is going to go to them. So it's your customer is your assets, you know, ladies and gentlemen, just want to let you all know. So make sure you all create your own company, okay? Because if you know, right, their contract, they have the right to terminate you, right? Okay, in the terms of agreement, right, it's stipulated that MLM or direct sales company has the authority to end your membership at their discretion without necessarily providing a specific reason. This clause essentially means that your participation in the direct sales program or MLM program is contingent upon their ongoing approval and can be revoked if they deem it necessary. So this company, right, can actually terminate the distributor at any time for any reason without notice. Just want to let you know. So if you want to be a real business person, stop sending your clients, right, that you attract on social media or you attract when you approach your customers, right, to your vendors. Okay, after 12 years of doing my own direct sales business, right, it's never my business, okay, but I never use the company name. I always use my own company name, okay, and that's why my customer all look for me. They don't look for my vendors. All right, so even if one day this vendor died, as in like either they terminate you or maybe they actually close shop, right, you still can find an alternative products to represent your to use it for your company. All right, this is what I learned, okay? But I realized that, right, there are 4 types of business types. I don't know whether you want to be where you want to be. So although this business, right, the company keep emphasizing that, oh, it's your business, but technically it's not your business. So if you want to be a real business person, guys, you need to look at this business model, okay? That even when I quit the job, or maybe if I no longer doing this company, right, I still have assets coming in. Let me explain to you. So basically, right, there are 4 types of business type. I don't know which type you want to be. Okay, the first type is, right, we have to use our muscle and time, okay, to do the business. That means you have to go down and meet your customer. Like for me, I have to do makeup classes, I have to do skincare classes. That's very physical time, right? And then at the end of the day, I'm so tired, right? And I have to do both things, right? I have to find my distributor, plus I have to do muscle work, like selling my products, okay? Then after that, right, I move on to become a director. Okay, this is called management team. That means so we manage a couple of people. That's why people who manage their teams, right, they earn higher. What? How much? 80,000? If to some 250,000 a year. Right? So according to Myron Golden, right, he mentioned that this implementation, right, this muscle and time part, right, some of us maybe from 30,000 minimum to 60,000. Engineer, you know, professionals, doctors, all this will be under here, muscle and time. He also mentioned that wealth is spiritual, which I agree, because the more people you help, right, the more the higher you're paid. So that's why those who can manage people are in this range whereby they are paid this amount to this amount. Okay, so in order to earn more, you have to learn how to, here's another level, communication level is so important. Okay, then that's where, you know, speakers or actress, they earn about 1 million to how much, 30 million a movie. Okay, so if you know how to use storytelling to incorporate your communication, you will earn more than that. Some of us earn 10K to 45K an hour. just by become a speaker. So I'm going to show you, right, how to generate assets, right, when you are in a direct sales company. Okay, how do you generate assets? I'm going to show you. So when I was doing my direct sales company, right, so this is what I do to generate assets after assets. So first thing first is I started to sell my courses online. Okay, and I'm intending to sell a book as well. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, and then through selling my courses, right, okay, I actually ask customer to buy my makeup products. Okay, like styling class, makeup class, right? I managed to get customer to buy my products. And then after that, I tell customer about the opportunities of the business. Okay, then customer join me. So this is another assets. So in the meantime, right, I also have companies, right, approaching me to do private events, talks for their customers, right, by other brands. So you see, I earn extra $1,500, $2,000 per hour. So this is how you generate more sales, more income for yourself, and it's sustainable, you see. So now I'm in this health affiliate business, right? So I'm already in the midst of creating income here, just selling the products, okay? I'm going to create a book on nutrition. And in my nutrition, right, it's going to tell you the benefits of my products. Okay, and then I have a few clients already join me. So that's my asset. So if you all want to know more, right, about how to do this business, okay, so if you all want to buy back your time, okay, or you want to have sustainable income over and over again, because if you do work, right, then you have money. If you never do work, you have no money, right? Just like real estate agent, got house to sell, no house to sell, no income coming in, right? And so that's why you need to be a key person of influence right now on social media, right? And you don't even need 52,000 followers like me, okay? I got about 60,000 followers in total, okay, on my social media. But you know, a few hundreds of followers, right, on your social media, you can already sell things already. Okay, guys, so if you're interested to be a key person of influence and know how to do storytelling, right, to do live streaming, all these things, I can help you. So when you do your content strategies well, right, on social media, people will come to find you and approach you to buy your stuff. Not so you don't have to find people, you know what I mean? That's why I prefer this kind of business. All right, so if you want to know more, right, please DM me for more information. I'll do a one-on-one coaching with you. All right, you can just comment on this video or just send me a message. Okay, all right, see you soon in my next video. Bye.